Trusty bike is ready to go. Ready. Who wants to go for a ride? Come for a ride with me. Hi guys. So I like taking my own routes around here. Going backwards right now. But I'll join up with the rest of the trails just now. Oh, the aeroplane. I wonder if we'll see any animals today. Hopefully we'll get some footage for you guys. Second one I haven't shown you guys yet. I haven't been here for a while. So let's go. Taking it easy because I got one hand on the handlebars, front braking. Yeah. A little bit of an easier part. And then just with one hand. Anyone that's staying in South Africa wants to come for a weekend, send me a message or get in touch. Show you the trails here. John's Neck Pass, or part of the trail. Oh, we have some jaw giraffes. Hi guys. There's another one here hiding behind the bush. I don't want to get too close right now. I might need to make a run up to do snake climb, which meanders up to the top there by those trees, and then back around that way again. I think I'll hit a short left and come say hi to Georgie's again. Beautiful day in Africa. Yeah, some impala. Like my folks like to say, McDonald's. I'm on the bum. See, black stripes. Looks like a lemon. I'm coaching the giraffe again. You see both of them much better now. Some more on the other side of the dam now. I'd get some of them as well. Hi guys. Almost rode smack bang into these zebras. A few of them were standing like right here, busy grazing off of this tree. And as I came through, I looked up. Ah, there's all of the zebras. Why are you guys fighting? What's wrong? Why are you helping? Why the long face, dude? Donkeys in pajamas. And up top there in the distance, I can't zoom in anymore, but directly above this one's head here in the middle of the picture, There's two sables lying in the grass. The grass isn't that long there. So now I've got to convince these two or three to get out of my way. But anyway, we're really lucky today. 4 more giraffe. Sure. Another beautiful day in Africa.